Hello everyone, welcome to OP Studies. So today we will learn about delivering a speech on pollution by a senior to its junior in a school. So let's begin. So a very happy good morning to all of you. Myself Preeti from class 12th and today I am here to aware my juniors about pollution. As we all are familiar about pollution that it has been become a biggest challenge that is affecting the environment and also the humans. Pollution impacts our lifestyle and also creates global warming and now it is enhancing day by day. So there are various types of pollution such as air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, and noise pollution. And these all types of pollution are very harmful to the health of human beings and the living creatures. So what is the reason behind this pollution? In every direct or indirect way, human being is the reason behind the creation of pollution. There are many ways by which humans create pollution such as industrialization, urbanization, deforestation, overpopulation, technological advancement, etc. Also, high consumption level of fertilizers in agriculture, smoke from vehicles, chlorofluorocarbons from air conditioners are some other big reasons behind the pollution. To solve these problems regarding to pollution, we all need to take initiative by ourselves and we can do it by many ways such as first of all we need to bring a change in our mindset to save our planet and then we have to follow some rules like we will need to bring a change in our transportation choices. We should choose public vehicles to travel to control pollution. We need to practice recycling and reducing waste production. Also, we need to practice about composting the waste. We should not use plastic as much as possible because we can use other alternatives for the same purpose. We should save energy by switching off lights and fans when not in use. We should plant trees as much as possible. We should aware people about controlling the population, etc. So now, to conclude this speech, I want to say that we should take important steps for a better future and environment and create our earth pollution free. I hope you all understood my words and will take initiative to control the pollution. Thank you so much.